How to select avatars in Fliki. Today I'll be showing you how to do it from your PC. First, log into your Fliki account. Once you're logged in, you will be in this dashboard. Now from here, you can add video or audios, and also you can create thumbnails. Let me just add a video from here. You can also add from files by clicking on files. For now, let me just go to home and tap on empty. Now once you tap it, enter your file name, tap on next and select the aspect ratio. Click skip. Now select the language and hit submit. Now this will bring you to the script based editor. First you have to go here in scene 1 and click on it. Here you can see voiceover. Click the voiceover as it has automatically been added. Click on it to change and select from the voices here. You can select whichever you prefer. You can change genders from here. You can preview the voice like this.
Fliki helps you transform your ideas into.
Now once you are happy with it, select it and click on select. Now you can start writing script here. For now, let me just add avatar. For adding avatar, click on layer here and click on avatar. You can select from the stock avatars right here. Tap and select. As you can see, the avatar has been selected. Well, you can also add your one image in the avatar tab by clicking on it and go to my and choose the file from here. Choose file from your device and you can add avatar of your one from here. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.